Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari and this is part of the Join or Dare tutorial. Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari and this is part of the Join or Dare tutorial. We want to see the beam in the full at the points where the slab overlaps with the beam and separate the slab from the beam. In this step, we click on the join and then select the switch join order. In the first click, we select the main element like a beam, and in the second click, we select the secondary element like a floor or a slab. In this way, as you can see, the slab is separate from the beam, and the beam is considered as a whole.